There's many of us.
How many of you? What the hell is that? That was like right there. You heard that?
Mm-hmm.
There's roaches. There wasn't there. Can you knock again for us, please?
What the hell is that?
Back door.
Do you know?
I say, is that the back door right there? Look.
Oh, it is.
This is the back door. This is the fucking back
It's
door.
open. Holy shit, it is open.
Babe, get away from there.
Meaning what? Please go right.
Please go.
Go right.
Outside? Are you telling us to leave?
Please go right.
Okay, I'm getting freaked out.
Thank you for showing yourself. Are you telling us to go to the basement?
It's a closed door.
Yeah.